G'day, welcome to SharkBite training videos. My name is Craig. In this video I'm going to show you how to correctly use and install SharkBite flexible water heater connectors. Now SharkBite water heater connectors are great for connecting hot and cold supply lines to the water heater and can be used in residential and commercial applications. SharkBite stainless steel braided connectors make fast work of water heater hot and cold supply line hookup. The ability to rotate the SharkBite connector after it is pushed onto the pipe and the flexibility of the braided hose allow connections in tight spaces without additional fittings. On gas heaters, ensure the hose remains clear of the flue. Simply tighten the threaded end of the flex hose onto the water heater, then push the other end of the flex hose onto the pipe up to the depth mark. Remember to deburr and mark copper pipe with a SharkBite depth and deburr gauge. SharkBite flexible hose water heater connectors are available in 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes in various lengths. They're also available lead-free compliant. SharkBite flexible water heater connectors also come with an integral SharkBite ball valve and SharkBite by SharkBite couplings suitable for use on copper, CPVC and PEX.